Hey everyone, this is Miss Cooper and I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. Today I'll be reading you a book called Happy Easter Little Hoop. Good morning, Little Hoop. It's time for an Easter egg hunt. Can you find all the Easter eggs? Did you look under the bed? You can find it. There's an egg under the bed. Did you find them all, Little Hoop? Did you look high? Did you look low? You found it. There was an egg hidden in the lampshade. You found another one. There was another egg hidden under the lamp table. Let's go look for some more. Maybe there's some Easter eggs in the living room. Did you see any Easter eggs in the living room, Little Hoop? You found it. There was one in the fireplace. There's one under the stool and the one behind the picture frame and one in the pink sink and another one under the lamp. Do you think that's all of them? Shall we look in the kitchen? Do you see any Easter eggs in the kitchen, Little Hoop? Good job, Little Hoop. You found them. There's one by the vase. There's one in the bowl of carrots. There's one under the rug. And there's one in the sink. Do you have enough eggs, Little Hoop? More eggs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Little Hoop found 17 Easter egg hunts. And that's the end of the story. Thank you for listening. I hope you all have a good day.